2026 BMW X7. This has had the Ghost 2 Pro. So obviously if we come around to the front of the vehicle, if we attempt to start the engine up, as you will see, the engine will switch on. But if we try to drive the vehicle, you will notice it will keep going back to reverse or park or drive, whichever the case may be. So it will always go back to park. We're going to enter our demonstration password. So as you will see, we get some indications down here. We can now put our foot on the brake and select a gear. As you can see, it stays in there. We automatically have the ability to move and the engine is on. And that is how the Ghost works.